Welcome to the in front of me Oukitel OKT1, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that tap on the network and internet. Here just activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and after that you'll see all the available networks, and we can for example select the first one. Here we should enter the password. For example, let's just enter something, and after that if you want to see the password, click just one here on this checkbox just to have some mistakes. For example, I'll do this out of screen. Okay, after that just click here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our network successfully connected. Our device successfully connected to this network. Also, if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do this. So first open the notification panel and then click here on the Wi-Fi icon. After that, just hold for a while this icon to launch the Wi-Fi settings. To select one from this available networks, enter the password and click to connect. If you want to turn it off, just click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.